So as you can see, I have some contacts saved in a spreadsheet. It is a Excel file. So you can see in my Files app, I have a file, which is essentially the Office format, the Office spreadsheet, right? So how do I import this to my iPhone contacts? So if you are in this situation, make sure you subscribe so you never miss anything important. So for this, we'll actually need to use a third-party app. And the app I would recommend you to use for this purpose would be this Contacts Converter app, which I'm gonna link to below in the description. You should be able to find it right there, and it is free to download, but it kind of like limited to use. But if you want to do it only a few times, it's freely available. So you can get inside an app like this, and from these options, you have to pick the Import Contacts from Excel. So the option in the middle, I'm gonna select it like this. Right, it tells me that I'm supposed to make sure that it's properly set up in the spreadsheet, but I'm going to click on OK and essentially import the file from the Files app. So you'll be able to browse through it, but I have it right here. I can select it as such and click on Import. So you can see I'm going to continue, right? And we have an ad, which I'm going to close out. But I should have the ability to essentially have those contacts in there, right? So if I go to my Contacts app, you can see that every single one of them is literally 3 times on my device, simply because I have imported them twice already. So as you can see, it does work, but yeah, it works like this through the application. So definitely give it a try. Let me know if you manage to make it work on your device. Hit the thumbs up if it worked, and I'll talk to you in the future uploads as well.